Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am vlogging because we are leaving for vacation. We are going to go to Yellowstone National Park and I'm going to be vlogging the entire thing. Right now we are finishing up packing and my sister's here with me, but she doesn't want me to show her on camera because she's in her pajamas. We just had a huge fight about this. Ow! So we're going to leave here soon and we're going to stop at our cousin's for the night because it's a really long trip out there. So I'll see you guys in the car. We are stopping at Minnesota's largest...
It's the world's largest candy store.
We are stopping at the world's largest candy store.
Did you see this? Raspberry Coke, peach Coke.
It's not just a poop. It's the tastiest poop in town. So we made it to my cousin's. We are in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. So tomorrow morning we will leave to start our trip to Yellowstone. Who's touching me? We will leave to start our trip to Yellowstone, but we will stop at a hotel that night just so you guys know what's going on. And if I didn't make it clear before, my cousins are coming with me. I feel like I may have not made that clear. So yeah.
Kyle the
So this is Matthew Albers.
Kyle the candy man.
This is my brother. He's not my cousin. Stop, Kyle. This is Thomas, and this is Lucy.
What are you doing?
And Dashanil, my other brother, he's up there. I don't know what he's doing. We're going to the park. Matt, do your Fortnite dance. So this is my cousin's cat, Loki R2D2. He's really soft and cuddly. He has some malfunction issues. Bye, Loki R2D2. Oh, he's glitching. He is having a severe malfunction right now. So we are in Wyoming and we are at Devil's Tower. We are climbing up the rocks and Tom looks embarrassed. I don't know why.
No, I'm tired. Okay.
I'm kidding. We're sitting under this huge tree on these rocks. We're way up here. Yeah, this is the tower. It's humongous. It's like 20 times the size I thought it would be.
I kind of want to start sucking on this so I can get moisture out of it.
He's getting pretty desperate. So we made it. We are finally at our cabin. 18 hours later. It was a long drive, but we saw some really beautiful things. It is nighttime right now, so I cannot show you the beautiful scenery outside. I can't even see it, so that's a surprise for the morning. Right now it is 10:30 and we're making mac and cheese because we didn't eat dinner. But I'm going to give you guys a mini tour of the house. It's not going to be anything spectacular. So walking in from the door, we'll start in the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It's kind of crazy right now, so we'll just stay out of it. This is like a random room. This is where my brother will be sleeping. There is our Christmas tree. I mean, come on. This, I think, is basically the living room. It's where my cousins and my brother will be staying. There's more rooms back there. And I don't know what this is.
Why do you guys bring so many
pillows.
So you need pillows to sleep on.
Right. I think Kyle's gonna sleep over
we got
here.
your room.
This is where me, Kyle, and Thomas are gonna be sleeping.
I get the bed. Yeah, even though I'm not a twin, I can still use these because my name means twin.
Thomas means twin.
Yes. Oh my God, this is. And now a moment to the living room.
So it is morning and it is absolutely beautiful out. Like I said yesterday when we got here, it was dark out, so we saw nothing of this beauty. There's these mountains and they have snow on them and there's clouds. So we are so far west that my cousin Matt has developed a western accent.
Look at these mountains.
Hey Matt, how do you feel about this smell?
Look at this. Oh, it's so warm.
We are playing in the snow on the 4th of July on the mountains. And my brother's just about to ski down the snow. Here he goes. It's the 4th of July and we've just finished our day in the park and we have some poppers and we're just throwing them on the ground to celebrate since we didn't get to watch any fireworks. That's my annoying brother.
Get me that video.
Look at him, he's so annoying. Okay. It's dark out so you can't really see much.
Hi, I'm John Cena, and you're watching Disney Channel.
Try to hit the wall.
Hi, my name is Bobby, and welcome to Disney Channel.
So this is our mud pit and someone needs to give us an example on how we use it. Tom.
Okay, I'll show.
Oh shit.
No.
Show us, Tom, show us.
No.
On top of the mountain, climbing on snow that's twice the height of my little brother. It's completely breathtaking up here. About 20 minutes ago we got back to my cousin's, so tomorrow we will leave back for home. Every time I try to film,
I need this tripod.
These little nuts start acting up.
Yes, I finally.
Well, I guess this is the end of my vacation vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope Can you not? Can you guys please stop? Bye.